Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing fantastic today. Do you know what reverie means? Reverie means to be lost in one's thoughts, daydreaming. What a cool idea, right? And today we're at Reverie by Dreamfinders in SilverLeaf. So we're gonna take a little ride around, learn a little bit. So let's go take a peek. All right guys, as we came off St. John's Parkway, coming through the roundabout that's right in front of Reverie. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Pretty cool community. I've been in a couple other Reverie communities that Dreamfinders has done, and when they're completed, they are absolutely outstanding. It is quintessential daydream, lost in your thoughts sort of amenity centers and atmosphere within the community. So let me pull over for a second. We got a gentleman that's right tailing me a little bit, one of the probably subcontractors. We're gonna let him go by. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. We do appreciate you coming along, investigating and checking out Reverie with us. All right, here we go. All right, Reverie. About 300 here in SilverLeaf, about 360 home sites, of which 136 are going to be villas, which is kind of cool. Connected, two homes connected together. That's the Burton. That's 1,709 square feet. All right, so you have multiple single-family plans, 14 of them actually. And on different size lots, 40s, 50s, and 60s. All right, we have three different collections. So let's head on into the community. We're passing the model center now. We'll come back. There's nobody there today. We're going to come back another day and film the models for you guys. All right, a gated entrance, of course. It's going to be key card protected. They already got the automatic sensors up there as well. Instead of a key card, they'll probably have one of those little RF readers on your windshield is what it looks like. All right, here we go. The Lakeside Clubhouse, opening approximately May of 2025. Bocce ball, pickleball, pool, zero entry pool, fitness center, you know, all the quintessential amenities. And when we get closer to that, we'll probably get out and get that thing filmed for you guys so you can start getting a better understanding. Right now, there's not a whole lot in there, okay? And they got it all cordoned off so you can't walk in there. So again, three different collections. The Villa collection, which we know is the Burton. We have the Grove collection. We have the Meadow collection, and we also have the Orchard collection. Multiple floor plans. So you got lots and lots to choose from here. We're in the first phase, of course. We're going to take it right here on Split Branch Place. See what we got over here. We got some homes that are built, some inventory homes. I was talking to the site agent, Paul, the other day, and there's quite a bit of inventory homes in here for immediate delivery, I'll say. So let's see where we can go here. Let's take a left here. All right, Sharon, I do appreciate you guys coming along. Let's see, what else can I tell you? Let's see, the Grove collection. Our floor plans range from about 1,475 square feet in the Grove collection, all the way up to the Orchard collection and the Cooper bonus at 3,129. You can option that Cooper bonus up to a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage home. So as you can see, there's still a lot of vacant lots in here ready for you guys. I also have the map of the community, and I will, at the end of the video, when I edit the video, I will show you guys the actual map and the layout of the community so that you have a better understanding of where each of the collections are, okay? And during this video also, I think what we'll do is we'll run through an inventory home so you have that, because I'm going to be doing the model homes, so you'll be able to compare the model homes, because they always have those decked out to what maybe an average inventory home, okay? So, but also if you build from scratch, if we build from dirt, we can actually go to Dreamfinders Design Center up there on US 1 and actually really just completely spec out your home for you, all right? So totally personalize it. So let's head back over towards the front. I'm going to show you the Villa collection. All right, gang, as we come back past the Lakeside Clubhouse, we're going to head over to the Villa section. The one thing I enjoy about giving you guys this information is because we learn as well. We're all learning together. So we're in these communities a lot, but you never know. You got new ones popping up, and you got new ones, you got old ones growing, and so on. So we love giving you guys information. We love learning right along with you. So anyway, we're in the Villa section. Again, we only have the one Villa model. That's the Burton. 1,709 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. And I think we're going to try to get ourselves into one of these inventories so you guys can see what an inventory model of the Burton looks like, because we're going to do the actual model. And you know, those are always decked out. So I want you guys to kind of see an average one. All right. So, but anyway, this whole area, part of the community, is about 136 home sites, and they will be all of the villas. Okay. All right. So let's go see if we can find a couple of inventory homes to wander around in. All right, gang, thanks for coming along today. We do appreciate you hanging out with us. Hope you enjoyed Reverie. If we can help get you any other information, help get you into a home, give us a shout out. We'd love to chat with you and introduce ourselves to you and let you get to know us. So anyway, I want you to have a fantastic day. Thanks a lot.